Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start with Essentials. Install Rank Math and run the setup wizard so core features are active. Choose your site type and connect your Rank Math account. This syncs settings and access to advanced tools. Once done, import SEO data from existing plugins to preserve rankings. Make sure sitemaps and basic schema are enabled now because they affect indexing and rich results immediately. Next, optimize individual posts. Add a focus keyword, check the SEO analysis, and edit the snippet preview to control SERP appearance. Use the content score to guide on-page changes. Aim for 70% or higher for meaningful gains. Enable structured data by selecting appropriate schema types so search engines understand pages. Also turn on internal link suggestions and set redirects when finish by running the Rank Math site-wide SEO analysis and addressing critical issues it highlights. This wraps up optimization and ensures consistency. Make sure your sitemap is submitted to Google Search Console and monitor indexing and performance metrics. If things go wrong, like missing metadata or 404, clear any caches, resave WordPress permalinks, and temporarily disable conflicting plugins to isolate the problem. That troubleshooting sequence usually restores expected behavior quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.